Nollywood actress Sarah Martins has explained her relationship with popular online critic Martins Vincent Otse, also known as Very Dark Man VDM. This happened shortly after she called him her husband on social media. Sarah made these claims on 7th of May 2025, just after VDM was released from the custody of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). After a post went viral, Sarah Martins shared another post to explain what she meant. She said that since both of them share the last name Martins, she now considers them married in her heart. Sarah said, "In case you haven't noticed, I have his last name, Martins, Sarah Martins, Vincent Martins. We are officially married in my heart. If you can't wish us well, please leave us alone." Many Nigerians reacted to her post with mixed feelings. Some supported her, saying she deserves love, while others felt she was only joking or trying to get attention. However, people online also remember that Sarah Martins had used other celebrities' names before to trend. While this might have generated tractions online, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.